a hole or two and then put the brick down a hole or two because I forgot to do that.
And fix that standard that Bob
Yeah, I fixed the standard. Did he tap that?
He did. Well,
I didn't come so far.
I mean, it was a tap, yes.
Oh man, here we go. Turtle Rider on course.
That's not fair.
Llama, llama,
You
llama.
didn't see it.
Wait,
Well, I
really?
didn't see it in the video.
Well, I guess.
They looked perfect.
Yeah.
Did you just snort like a pig?
I did not think it was a
That's that one.
Yeah. That was a little bit of a chip, but we're okay. What a lovely transition down to the trot jump. Change the lead. Ah, perfect. I think that was a little chippy, but I can't really tell. Oh, love the inside turn.
Yeah, she was like, I don't know whether to take the inside or the outside. I was like, take the inside, you can do it.
So basically, this horse is perfect.
Yes.
Basically, it
Unless you
looks
make him
great.
mad.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Except
Basically,
If you
she
make him
wins.
mad, it's all downhill.
All right, let's all go home.
the only member on the team.
What a perfect four. Nice turn. Saw that. Brooke, you're my favorite.